Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add users on Klaviyo. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to add users. And if we want to do that, we can simply go and expand this audience section if it's not expanded on this list panel. Once we expand it, click on lists and segments. That should take us into this page. Make sure to go to new subscribers or newsletter, choose whatever of them. Once you select that, you'll find yourself on that page. Click on manage list at the top right corner, then click at imports, contact so you can add users. Of course, you can import some email subscribers or users or SMS users or subscribers. Choose whatever suits you. For us, let's just choose email subscribers, then click on next. Here, you'll just click at upload to upload the file that contains your email users and make sure it's an CSV file. Then simply click at next twice and you will be good to go. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.